Here we're asked to find the slope of the given line that goes through these 2 points. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, we need to make sure that we know the slope formula when we're given 2 points and how to calculate it. So the slope formula for calculating slope between 2 points is as follows. Slope equals y2 minus y1 over, or divided by, x2 minus x1. And that's all we need to solve this problem. So what are the y2s and the y1s and the x2s and the x1s in this problem? Those are just the pieces of the points. So, for instance, we can label this as x1 and y1. Remember, x is always the first number in a coordinate. Y is always the second number in a coordinate. And we'll label this second point x2 because it's the second coordinate, and y2. Now we have all of the information. We just need to plug and chug this information into the formula. And that's what we'll do next. So the formula calls for y2, and that is here, that's negative 11. So we will do negative 11. And then it says we need to do minus y1. So we're going to minus y1, which is negative 7 here. We're going to minus y1, which is negative 7, divided by and then on the bottom we have x2 minus x1. So we'll do x2 minus x1. x2 is negative 10 minus x1 is 0. And let's see what we get. Negative 11 minus negative 7. Well, I know that that means when we have a negative minus a negative, that becomes a positive. So we could rewrite that as negative 11 plus 7. And on the bottom we have negative 10 minus 0. That's going to be negative 10, of course. Negative 11 plus 7. That's negative 4. We can check that in our calculator. Negative 11 plus 7, negative 4, over negative 10. And now we just need to reduce. So a negative divided by a negative is going to give us a positive. And 4 over 10, well, that can be reduced by 2. We can divide each of those by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And negative 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our final answer here is 2 over 5 for our slope.